Hello dear creatives, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this trendy bridal hand fan from scratch. Please be sure to watch the entire video to the end and also like this video and comment on this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. So these are the materials I'm going to be needing to make this bridal hand fan. I'm going to be needing my hand fan base or skeleton. I created this hand fan base or skeleton with carton, and I have a tutorial on how you can create this on our YouTube channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description box or on the comment section below. Then I'm also going to be needing crepe fabric. You could use bridal satin, doll face satin to make this, and I'll also be needing some trimmings and some stones and studs. Okay, can you see? So depending on what you want to use to embellish the hand fan, you could just get different types of stones and studs in the market. I got this for 500 naira each in the market. Okay, and I'm going to be needing this as well. So just go ahead and get your stones and your appliques. You could also go with patches. These are patches. You could also use patches to embellish the hand fan. I'll be needing my trimmings, a pair of scissors to cut, velvet ribbon. Then I'll be needing gums, hot glue gun or UH gun. I'll be using the hot glue gun and the UH gun, or you cannot use hot glue gun, you can use candle wax and lighter. Okay, so these are the materials I'm going to be needing. The last material I have here is wording. I'm going to be using the wording to pad the hand fan base. So I'm going to start by applying my gum on one side of the hand fan base, after which I'm going to be covering with the wording. The reason I'm attaching wording is because I want the base to be a bit bulky or fatter. I don't want it to look slim, so hence I have to cover with the wording. So I'll cover one side of I will cover with the wording now, and I'll cut out the excess wording, after which I'm going to flip to the other side and cover with wording as well. So this is what I've got after trimming the excess wording. Okay, so this is what the edges look like, can you see? So now, this particular part, I'm going to apply my gum again and just gum that down. Then I will cut another wording which I'm going to be using to cover or pad the handle of the hand fan base. After cutting, I'll get my hot glue gun or candle wax and lighter, and then I'm going to be applying the gum. Now I'll get my needle and my thread, and I'm going to be tacking. So I'll take my needle and my thread and I will tack like so to further secure the wording to the handle of the hand fan, and this is how I'm going to tack. So my hand fan base is ready. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'll apply gum on the hand fan base like so, or you can also apply it on the wrong side of the fabric. So after applying the gum, I'm going to place the wrong side of the fabric on the hand fan base like that. I'll use my hands to smoothen that. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll also get my scissors and trim off the excess fabric, but I'm going to be leaving about half an inch or 1 inch excess, which I'm going to be using to fold in. So I will apply gum on the excess fabric on the edges of the hand fan base, and then I'm going to fold in like so. So once I'm done folding, I'm going to flip over to the other side, apply my gum on the hand fan base, and also place my fabric on the hand fan base like that. Now I'm going to be cutting out the excess fabric I have on here. So I want to ensure that I'm having about half an inch excess because I'm going to be using that to fold in. Okay, so this is me trying to calculate if I have about half an inch excess fabric before I'll go ahead and cut out the remaining excess fabric. So before I will fold that part, I'm going to get my gum. You see this part? I'm going to get my gum. I will apply my gum, then I will use my scissors to tuck that in like that neatly. Can you see? Can you see that? Okay, so now before I will fold in the excess fabric, I'm going to be using my lighter to burn the edges of the fabric because the edges raise a lot. So this is the part that is going to overlap on the other side or on the other fabric. So I'm going to ensure that I have a neat finishing on here. So after using my lighter to go around the fabric, I'm going to apply my gum on the fabric. So it's best you apply your gum on the fabric, okay, and then use your hands to smoothen it down to prevent gum stains on your work. Can you see? So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be covering the handle of the hand fan with ribbon. So if you don't have a ribbon, you could use same color of the crepe fabric. So you could just cut some stripes of crepe fabric and then you use it to cover the hand fan base, but because I have ribbon, I'm going to be using my ribbon to cover that up. I'll get my trimmings now and I'm going to be using my trimmings to line this part or to cover this part up like so. So first I'm going to be applying my gum. After applying the gum, I'm going to be placing the trimmings on that part to cover it up. So I actually attached two trimmings or 2 stripes like so. I will get the other one. So if you have a fatter trimmings, or yes, you could just go ahead and just use one instead. So I decided to just go with this like so. So when I get to the other end, I also cut it out. I cut out the excess. Now to cover the handle, or to beautify the handle of the hand fan, I'm going to get my fringe first. I'm going to use my candle wax and my lighter to gum the fringe down before I will cover it or wrap it up with the velvet ribbon. So the last thing I'm going to be doing is to embellish the hand fan base with my trimmings, my appliques, my stones and my studs. So depending on what you want to use or your budget, you could also use cup chains or any other trimmings of your choice. I actually cut these out from the patches I showed you at the beginning of this video because I wanted to create something else or a different pattern with it. So I just cut that out, and then I'm going to be creating my pattern with it. I'm not going to apply gum yet. I'll just go ahead and arrange that. I'll get my stones, my studs, my pearls or whatever. Okay, so I cut that out from that particular patches that I have there. So I'm going to create my pattern. I will just get my stones and my studs. I will arrange them on the hand fan base. Okay, so you have to arrange them first. You come up with your designs or your pattern. You decide on which design or pattern you want to go with first before you go ahead and start applying your gum. Because if you start applying your gum, you may end up maybe wanting to change the design or the pattern, and at the end of the day your work will not look neat, because the process of trying to remove what you have on there, you may end up having a very rough work, especially if you have applied your gum. So you want to avoid that. So once I'm done, or I've decided on which design or pattern I'm going to go with, I will then get my stones and my studs one after the other, and then I'm going to be placing them on same point or on that particular place I actually remove it from. So this is how I will just go ahead and I'll keep applying my gum like that. If you are getting value from this video, please endeavor to like this video and comment on this video. Commenting on this video is very important. It will help YouTube to recommend our videos to other viewers like you who would be interested in our content. So please encourage us by commenting on our videos. Once I'm done covering this part with the stones and the studs, I'm going to flip over to the other side and also repeat the same thing on the other side. and I have my bridal hand fan ready. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell.